till the time we have seen, right, for the functional component as well as the class component, we have written the UI from the function, right? So till the time only we have used the one liner of UI code, like just we have written the one h1 tag and we have written the welcome message, right? So in this video we will see how to return the multiple line of code, that is the UI code from the function. Okay, so going forward I will use the functional component only to demonstrate all this throughout this series. Okay, so I have in the app.js, right, we have that class component as well as the functional component. I removed that class component, so now we have only the functional component in the picture. Okay, now what I want to add below this message, welcome to my first functional component. Okay, I want to create one input field, okay, like a username or name, where like user will enter his name. I want that input text field. Okay, so let me create a one div here. Inside this div I will give the name as a enter name colon. Now I will create the field input field, which will be of type text. Okay, so I have created the one field, okay, input text field, okay, and have given the label as a, like a enter name. Okay, let me save this and let me compile this. Okay, so here you can see we got the error as soon as I added this new div. Okay, we got the error. So what is the error we are getting? Parsing error. Okay, the adjacent JSX element must be wrapped in enclosing tag. Okay, so what is mean by that? So here in React function, whenever we are trying to return the any HTML code or JSX code, okay, that must be wrapped in the single, that must be wrapped within a single tag. Okay, so here you can see we have the two tags, h1 tag as well as the div tag. Okay, so what I can do, I can wrap this or enclose this complete UI within a one single div. Okay, so here you can find I have wrapped this within a single div. Okay, now let's try, let it compile. So here you can see it's a compiled successfully. Okay, now we can see, okay, here enter name as well as the our text box. Okay, so this is the syntax for returning the multiple line of UI code through the function. Okay, this is the strict JSX structure of the code written. Okay, so now so JSX has provided the one more tag. Okay, if you don't want to write the extra div, okay, for the sake of returning the complete UI, you don't need you don't want to write this extra div. Okay, so for that JSX has provided the one fragment, okay, just like a opening and closing tag. Okay, so in this way also you can wrap. So let me try this. I will remove this div. Okay, I will write this opening and tag, opening and closing tag here. Okay, JSX fragment. Okay, so now instead of div I have used the JSX fragment and I put all the code inside this opening and closing bracket of this JSX fragment. Okay, now compile it. So here you can see still we are able to see the result. So enter name and input text file. Alright, so now let me try to add some styling. Okay, let me add some custom CSS, okay, to this div. Okay, so I will add as a style, okay, is equal to, let me change the font size. Okay, font size I will keep as a 50 pixel. Okay, font size as a 50 pixel. Alright, now I saved it. Okay, now let's go to this. Oh, what is this? We are getting the error as soon as I added the style component. Okay, I am getting the error. Okay, so what is the error? Prop except mapping from style operation of the value, not a string. For example, style this. Okay, so that means whatever the style we have added, style attribute we have added to this div tag, it's not a correct syntax for this JSX. JSX code is not what we call not getting this. What is this style? Okay, so for JSX, okay, we have the different way of writing this attribute. Okay, to check that, because this is the traditional HTML and now we are returning as a JSX. Okay, so we have to convert first our HTML to the JSX. So it is almost same, except some of the attributes we have to write it differently. Okay, no worries guys, if you don't have the knowledge about the how the syntax of the JSX looks like. Okay, so for that React official website also provide the one input. Okay, whenever you want to convert your HTML code to JSX, just go to Google and type it convert HTML to JSX. Okay, convert HTML to JSX. Okay, so you will get one transform tool URL. Okay, this is the nothing but transform tool URL. Okay, so here we can convert our HTML to the JSX. Okay, so here you can see they whatever the by default example you can see here, they are saying class in HTML we have to write as a class name in the JSX. Style equal to whatever the CSS, here you can see style equal to whatever the CSS property we have to include, we should wrap this enclosed in double curly brackets. Okay, so this is nothing but the syntax of the JSX, all other things are the same. So similarly, let me try with this JSX syntax. For this style I have to wrap into double curly bracket. Okay, alright, anything apart from this, I need not to write this in double code. Alright, is this correct? Style is equal to colon. Alright, I need to give this in the double bracket, correct? Alright, but still I am getting the font too. Okay, so it's better whenever you got some error kind of thing and you are not able to convert it, so do one thing, what I am going to do, same you can do it. Okay, so just copy paste your HTML. Now go to JSX website, remove this one, paste your HTML, let it convert here. Okay, so what was the issue, like we are printing here 50 pixel, so in JSX no need to write that one, so let me print this here. Now control yes, compile. Yes, it is compiled successfully. Now let me check the result. Perfect, here you can see that it is in the 50 pixel. Now the whatever the name we have given, it's in a 50 pixel. So that means whatever the our style we have added custom CSS, it's working now, only the syntax way of writing it's different. Okay, so if you don't have any knowledge, it's no worry things guys, you can directly go to that transform tool, you can paste your HTML and convert it to JSX format. Alright, so this is the way we should return the HTML. To summarize this guys, okay, whenever you want to return the multiple line of HTML code or JSX code from the function, we need to wrap it into the single tag. Okay, you can use this JSX fragment, open and closing bracket, and wrap your text all the tags within that one, or else you can create a simple your own div and enclose this everything within that div. Okay, so that it will work perfectly fine. This is the syntax given by the JSX. Okay, after that whenever you have the HTML, so for style we have to write in double curly braces, and for class we have to use as a class name. Okay, so these are the some of the syntax we need to keep in mind while writing the JSX code. If you are new to channel, okay, please do subscribe, like and share the video, and do not forget to click on the notification bell icon so that whenever the new upload or new tutorial series has started, you will get the notification. So please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.